Use my other brush. We have this guard as well. This will just help so that when we're applying the tint, we can really come through and brush through those lashes rather than coming through here. I mean, this eye gel pad does have the sticker underneath that's pretty thick and it won't seep through. But sometimes it's just nice to have something to hold there and just really brush right through it. So I'm just going to start now. I'm going to apply my tint. Doesn't really matter where you start. Just apply that tint on. Make sure you get it on and you saturate all of those lashes. Just apply more there. I'm just making sure that I saturate all of my lashes, top and bottom. So with this guard, it makes it really easy to just really press down and get those lower lashes as well. And I'm coming right to the base of the lash and tinting that as well. Or applying the tint there and then just pulling it out.